Optical spectrometer used to separate and measure wavelength components of light. Spectrometers are used in astronomy and chemical analysis. Different light sources contain different wavelength of light. Spectrometer can separate it. Diffraction grating or prism are used to split light in spectrometer. There are reflection and diffraction grating. Diffraction grating is used in this experiment. This experiment uses grating to split light and photo camera as optical detector. Diffraction grating is an optical component with regular pattern. It is formed by equal spacing slit. Working principle of diffraction grating can be explained by Huygens-Fresnel principle. Ideal grating is formed by infinity-long equal spacing slit. Each slit in the grating acts as a quasi-point source and superposition with each other. When optical difference is equal to integer multiplies wavelength, constructive interference occurs. The grating equation is shown above. Since different wavelength of light obtains different maximum angle, grating can be used to split light. There are regular circular grooves on CD. Distance between grooves is around 1.6 micrometers. Therefore, CD can be used as grating. The rainbow color of CD is caused by grating effect. This is the spectrometer used in this experiment. Print the case of spectrometer using black filament. Prepare CD grating during printing process. Use razor blade to scratch a small area of CD surface. Use tape to stick large area. Cut suitable size for grating. Place the grating in the case and use black tape to cover. Download Spectra UPB apps. Measure spectrum from different light source.